investigation is walled off for this reason. They know exactly what's missing, and getting it back is the only way you can commence the after-action damage assessment. What are these delays, even if, as Joyce predicts, he'll ultimately fail at the Supreme Court, what are these delays due to the national security equities?
So first, it's all about national security for me. And I am just beside myself. And I can only imagine what the folks who followed me at the Counterintelligence Division are going through right now. The professional angst of knowing you really can't determine where these documents went, who has seen them, at what level, and for what reason. Has money changed hands? Promises been made? Have they been displayed jokingly at dinners at Mar-a-Lago? They can't find that all out until we get to the point that they're allowed to investigate.
And they can't even investigate people like, hey, did he show this to you on the golf course, because of the legal
and this
paralysis.
is what's driving Trump's move to the Supreme Court. Let's not be fooled by any substantive legal argument here. I have reviewed the filing. Claiming that the 11th Circuit doesn't have any jurisdiction is laughable. But this is about delay, and the notion that this would go, because it's Florida, would go to Clarence Thomas first. I mean, this is the moment that Trump lived for in terms of why he placed people on the Supreme Court. He didn't place Clarence Thomas there, but he knows the Supreme Court largely is in his favor right now. And so what I'm looking at is no surprise from Trump. I'm looking now at the Supreme Court and the credibility being eroded of one of our critical institutions. What Clarence Thomas needs to do immediately, but I predict he won't, is say, I'm not even touching this filing. I ordinarily touch filings from Florida. I'm not even touching it to pass it to the rest of the court. That would help restore credibility. I don't think that's going to happen.